Review setting. Maybe they just go with the favor. Just look at it.
There are only two methods in order. Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I beg to mention item number 15, my Lord.
Who's the other side?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What is your prayer?
My Lord, I pray for matter come up after 2 weeks, my Lord.
Yes.
No objection, my
What
lord.
happened to that thing that PIL pending before the full bench over? That was
Yes, my lord. The
There's
PIL is still
It's
pending.
still pending, my Lord.
no order has to regard to this thing. Release
No,
of.
my lord.
So
The
far, not yet, my Lord.
So until unless that is disposed of, you cannot. I think. Mr. Khan,
Your Lordship is absolutely correct. In fact, that
This
would have been the
this
only
is
argument.
application. Basically, they are challenging the refusal to release the.
Yes, yes.
So as per the order of the full bench, isn't it? Or division bench.
Lordship.
There is a bar.
There is a bar.
So until unless that is there.
My Lord, there's a slight difference between the PIL pending before the other bench, my Lord, and the case before Your Lordship also. There's slight differences, my Lord. The arguments can be properly advanced by the arguing counsel, Mr.
The
Freeman
thing,
only, my
see,
Lord.
Mr. Counsel, the problem is that you see, like there is a bar so far as the release. Even if you merit, I don't think this could can pass on it. Anyway, when do you want it?
2 weeks, my Lord. After 2 weeks, my Lord.
Yes, this at the request made on behalf of the petitioner, list of returns. Yes.
My Lord, similar prayer for item number 16, my Lord.
16. Who is the other side?
Lord, senior
I'm for
side.
Since my learned friend mother is admitted, but we have urgency in the matter, my lord. Can it be taken up next week, my lord?
There is urgency in the matter. Wait, what is the
My,
urgency?
my, my lord, because of this FIR, your lordship, my future assignment had been blocked, your
That is
lordship.
that
My lord.
that is no urgency.
And I'm saying urgency, my lord, because of that,
2
your
weeks,
lord.
my Lord.
2 weeks. We'll have it after 2 weeks.
My lord, can date maybe fixed, my lord? 4th or 5th, my lord.
Check it, or request the bench assistant to fix it on this thing. Make a request from yourself.
After 3 immediate, my lord.
After
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
After 3rd of September. After 3rd of September.
After 3rd of September, you'll go after 3 weeks then. Oh, 3 weeks.
Then before that also, 2nd of
2
September.
weeks.
it
2
is.
weeks is all right. 2 weeks.
My lord, my lord. We
This is
will.
also at the request of the petitioner list over 2 weeks. Yes. Apply.
Deeply obliged, my Lord.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 from the main list. I humbly pray this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection.
This is a criminal appeal.
Criminal appeal.
At the request made on behalf of the appellant, list of returns. Yes.
Highly obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship.
Item.
The conducting counsel is not available, Mr. S.N., Your Lordship. I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
This is what? Quashing?
482, yes, Your Lordship.
Quashing of?
Your Lordship,
Not a POXO case.
no, Your Lordship.
Yes. No objection.
No objection.
Yes. At the request made on behalf of the state respondents, list this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship. It's a joint request, Your Lordship. I humbly pray, Your Lordship, that the matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Item number 8.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'm for the private respondents number 4 and 5, my lord.
So joint request of all the parties.
From the private respondent and from the petitioner, Your Lordship.
So you have no objection to prayer of petitioner. Just said the joint request made on behalf of the parties. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Also in joint request, I beg to mention item number 10, my lord.
It's a joint prayer, Lordship.
I'm for the respondent.
Yes.
Pray for 2
Matrimonial
weeks'
matter.
time, Your Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
No compromise. Was there an effort to compromise the matter?
No, Your Lordship.
There was no effort. It is what the claim of maintenance or
This is under the section of dowry prohibition, Your Lordship. It's a 482 matters complaint under the section 4 of Dowry Prohibition Act.
that is what this is. But this is for quashing
Yes,
or
Your Lordship.
Criminal proceedings.
Criminal proceedings, not maintenance proceedings.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. This also just say at the joint prayer of the parties list after 2 weeks. When? 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. Wait, please, Your Lordship. I beg to make a mention of item number 11, 12, and 13, Your Lordship. These are connected matters. If this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks.
These are all connected matters.
Your Lordship.
Lordship.
Concerning what is the subject matter? What is subject?
This is a quashing, Your Lordship. The case had already been charged sheeted.
Quashing of what case?
The
What kind of
FIR,
offence?
Your Lordship. FIR.
No, but what offence? What is the offence?
Lordship, this is as per the FIR, it's a case of misappropriation.
Misappropriation. Not under prevention of.
No, Your Lordship. Under 406.
So when do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
11 and 30. Okay. After 2 weeks at the request. Yes.
Obliged.
All right.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6.
Yes.
My lord, no objection. It's regarding that passport, my lord.
It's regarding a visa.
Okay. That visa.
Yes, my lord.
Visa matter. Yes. What happened? Why you are not taking up this matter?
We require some time, Your Lordship.
You've been given enough time. Yes. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Same order. This also. This is just a request has been made on behalf of the petitioner to adjourn the matter by 2 weeks. Mr. Shangupta, learned additional senior GA, has no objection. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Hello.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying if this matter may be listed after 2 weeks. Senior conducting counsel is having.
Item number 3, 4, and 5 are connected, Lordship. What happened on the earlier occasion, Lordship? Because in item number 3, Lordship, I have challenged the resolution, but I have not annexed the copy of the resolution, Lordship. Then I have filed the RTI, Lordship. So RTI, it has been more than 1 month, Lordship. Lordship, if the matter is called up, and if necessary direction is given either to the government or
RTI has its own laid down procedure. There is no question.
My lord is right. My lord is right. What happened? This is the document belonging to the managing committee, Lordship, and it is not a case that managing committee has not been represented, Lordship. Yeah, they are also representing, Lordship.
We cannot bypass law. Why don't you understand?
No, what I am saying, if
law
Bill
prescribes
provision
something,
are there, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
Yes.
In bill provision are there.
Definitely,
If
there is
RTI
no
is not
question.
That is true, Lordship.
there is a
no
way.
question. See, this court will not bypass the enacted provision. There is no question.
No, what I am saying, Lordship,
Yes.
since the record pertains to the managing committee, Lordship. So if the direction is given, they can
What direction?
all the records, Lordship. The records of
Calling
the
for the records, was it not your duty that you challenge something in your writ petition and you do not without imposing? Was it not?
my
your
lord,
duty?
this is the second time I am filing the RTI, Lordship.
Is it that admittance position that there is a resolution? They may say that there may not be a resolution.
No, there is as per the recommendation in the approval order they have mentioned,
Who is
Lordship.
representing managing committee? Any difficulty in producing that?
No, Lordship. In item number 3,
Wait,
Mr.
just Mr. Hajarika.
He is in item number 4, Lordship.
Then who is in 3?
3 is that Sir Qureshi, Lordship.
Is he here? He is not here.
Here, Lordship.
This is a difficulty then.
Because it is, they cannot deny also because that number and date is mentioned in the.
Mr. Shaikh, this is a matter
True,
pending
Lordship.
from 2018. And at
True,
the
Lordship.
11th hour, now when it comes to document, you want them to produce. Anyway, until and unless he's there, we also cannot pass any order.
True, Lordship.
Yes, what is your, who prayed for? Item number 5. But there is no order to list this together with
My lord,
3 and 4.
matters are. there is
3 you
order.
are appearing a petitioner. 4 also you are a petitioner. Okay, 3 and 4 you just said the Mr. Rashula, you have no objection to that?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, just see say that the request made on the petitioner list this matter after 2 weeks. And then 5,
Lordship, petition.
2 weeks.
Lordship.
Here also just say at the request made on made on view of the petitioner, this also. Only the council's name will be different. Okay? Yes. Yes.
My lord, this is the second attempt that I have filed the RTA, Lordship.
Well, you just try it, and if not, then
Yes,
then we'll
Lordship.
just see it. But then you see, like it was
True,
your
Lordship.
duty. It
My
was
lord,
expected upon you.
True.
This resolution is not there in the with the government thing also. You do not have a
They
copy
have,
of the
Lordship. resolution. They have, Lordship.
Is it?
Lordship.
It is not available in the government records, Mister.
It should be there, because that has been quoted in the
Then if
order.
it comes to that, then without wasting much time, I think like,
That's
you can
true.
help him. If you want, if there is
Otherwise, life should.
Lordship,
I
doesn't
filed
go,
RTA.
this doesn't go adverse to your interest.
First
No, there
appeal
is-
It's his case, Your Lordship. He should not
we
stand
can
on
understand.
the
We can understand. We can
on the
understand.
weakness of my weakness, Your Lordship.
It's all right. We can understand, but then it's a matter of you see, like the production of the copy.
Let
of
me
the-
see, Your Lordship, if I can.
Just see if it is there.
Lordship, yes.
Try to find it out if it is there.
Lordship.
Apply, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 7 as
Some
well.
more remaining.
Lordship. 7, Lordship.
7. With the other side, 7. Yes, you have objections.
No.
What is the matter about 7?
Lordship, this is an appointment. It's a service matter, Lordship, regarding appointment. On the last occasion, Lordship, we were supposed to take fresh steps because the notice that had gone on to respondent number 8 had come unserved. So we are only awaiting service report.
Is it the
Lordship,
matter
that's
which traveled to division mention
Managing, no, my lord. This is where the managing committee is only recently implemented.
implemented? There is a fresh implement.
Yes, sir.
So notice is yet to be served or what?
No, Lordship, notice is served. We are only awaiting the service report. Status, Lordship.
So what is the last order in this matter? What was the last order passed in this matter?
Last order, they
Lordship,
have to take fresh steps.
Lordship.
They have
which we
taken
have.
fresh steps.
Lordship.
So then why you are asking for adjournment then? Let the matter come up, we'll just see.
Okay, Lordship.
Okay, just wait for the matter to come up.
Lordship.
Daily causeless, item number 1.
May please, Lordship, I have taken a step to serve to the private respondent number 5, Lordship.
Whether it's served?
Yes, Lordship, I have served on the
Who is appearing for respondent number 5?
private respondent number 5.
What is the matter about, Mister?
This is your Lordship, what happened actually, the brief back of the case is that,
Say in short. You say like.
yes,
just say what is
the police, I have filed the FIR, I was assaulted seriously, about to be dead. After that, after filing the FIR, the police was not taking for investigation. It kept for more than 1 year.
Your FIR was not registered.
FIR was registered, my lord.
Yes.
But there was no investigation. So I approached the High Court of Meghalaya for speedy investigation. Thereafter, after filing the writ, they filed a final report. Final report saying that there is no case against the private respondent. Later on, against the final report was submitted, permits only when the High Court has intervened, and they have produced the final report. Against that final report, I filed an objection petition before the
final report was placed before the
High Court. Yes.
on the court.
Against that
Then
one,
it's accepted. You should not.
yeah, there was no notice.
No, before accept. Was it that the final report was accepted? Was it final report was accepted by the trial court?
Yes, yes, yes.
FIR was
Ye-
accepted by trial court.
Yes,
It was accepted.
it was accepted. Then after that, after
due
knowing,
notice to you or without
no,
notice?
they never issued notice to me. It is voluntarily. I went.
Yes,
I
Mr.
went.
Sheikh, if this is the case, then we'll remand it back. What is the question? He has a right to be heard. Okay. 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 Just entered the page just now. Just see, Mr. Sheikh, if that be the thing, you see, if the complainant is not heard, then it will go back. It has to go back. You know, that is the apex who said that he has to be heard. Just Mr. Sheikh, Planet Council, enter Pearson. We have the one number 5, and praise for grant or some time to go through the matter. Prayer alert, just after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes, 2 weeks, Mr. Sheikh, enough. If it is a small issue, please take instruction and just.
Lordship.
Supplementary causeless, hearing item number 1.
Yes.
My lord, My apologies at the outset, my lord. It appears that
you did not do anything. Why you are seeking apology?
No, my lord. On behalf of my junior friend here, and actually, my lord, what we intend to submit was something, but it was wrongly put to the court. Here, my lord, there's been no compromise.
Because you did not provide proper training, so that is why.
No, my lord. Perhaps the wrong instruction followed. Here, what has happened now, my lord, is the parties. There's no compromise per se, my lord. But the petitioner herein, she had conveyed it to us that she is trying to have a compromise, some sort of via media through some source. Now, of course, my lord.
To convince the private respondent.
No, not exactly, my lord. Some kind of a compromise on any sort of compromise, my lord, by which all the parties could be satisfied.
Now, which way it is possible?
She's trying to seek an intervention of some third party, of course, whose identity and name I cannot.
That is all right, but then what kind of compromise can be attained in this kind of matter?
Perhaps some exchange of land, my lord.
They have something in mind. You may have a better offer. You may get land somewhere in the prime land also.
Your Lordship, but the entire controversy matter here, it's totally different.
No, it is okay. It is all right. I do not know what are the things.
No matter, it's something which is always
if
welcomed in the
there
party.
is an effort by the petitioner to reach out to you. Whether that has been done or not, I do not know. You may not have any information. Do you have any information?
No, she has not initiated as yet. But
But
that was
on
something.
the contemplation of something which you can adjourn.
No, Madam,
Otherwise, just tell us what
she only expressed it to us.
Lordship, in fact, what is fallen from Lordship, let's confine to that. The instruction that I have received, Your Lordship, that
Mr. Khan, you see one thing. This court so far as this court always encourages people to settle litigation. Say amicable settlement is always welcome. Even sometimes, even if a party is not entitled to get relief, but then if settlement gives him certain relief, that is also welcome.
No, that option is always there. But
this is always we say like we say because we try if there is any indication. Okay, but then
no, in due course, my lord, we will reach out to them.
That is okay, but then how long you will take it? If it is
I'm only praying for 3 weeks time.
If the strategy adapted only for getting adjournment, that is then that will.
No, that is why, my lord, 3 weeks the matter can be adjourned. My lord, feeling which will proceed with the hearing. My lord, we will proceed on merit.
So far, state is concerned, Your Lordship. Very unfortunate thing happened over his day. Your Lordship is aware that everything is live. We are living in a digital age. A submission was made that compromise is being effective. The Lordship said, where is the compromise date? And the instruction that I received that what is happening, how can state compromise? There's nothing is approached. Why are you not taking a stand? There's nothing as such happening. And so even there's not even a whisper so far compromise is concerned, state is concerned.
You can understand, but then you see like normally as we understand.
It becomes very Lordship.
You do not see that the matter can be compromised. But what Mr. Thapa says that there
that possibility,
some sort of
Lordship, that possibility the private respondents are here. But so far state is concerned, Lordship.
If they come to any settlement, who knows, they subsequently thereafter they may approach you for your permission or whatever it is.
That is a difference.
That we cannot foresee at this stage. But then only thing is that what this court is interested to know is that whatever has been submitted is the real intention of the party. It should not be something like so just to avoid or to prolong the hearing of the matter.
No, Malay, she expressed it to us, so we thought ki.
See, this matter, Mr. Thapa, if you see, it is pending for quite long time. 15 minutes.
That's why, Malay, I'm praying, Malay,
if you wanted to have some sort of adjustment, understanding.
That is a different issue. Yes, Lordship, this court has been very accommodative. Very accommodative. So many times.
The petitioner expressed that to us, so we said, okay, fine, no problem.
So far between private respondents, Lordship, between private respondents and petitioner, Lordship, we have got a very limited role.
Definitely, but then whatever they do, whether it is acceptable or not,
that is for them. That's why I asked the other day. I asked my friend.
But then we just want, if at all there is a possibility, we just want let them explore it. Explore the possibility if there is any question of settlement. Now, whether it is acceptable or not, whether it will be permissible under your rules or not, that also
that is a different issue. Very true.
That only will come to know after they come to some sort of terms.
And Lordship, let this matter come after a week. In the meantime, private sponsor also can make a submission whether if there are some possibilities for exploration, because it's for them basically
1 week.
Possibility of any
Let
exploration.
it be after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, may I make a submission? This is the second round notification, Lordship, and this is my first round. I was arraigned as a party recently in this case, and I have filed all my affidavits of record documents I have placed. And this is a 2015 matter. It's going to be 10 years now. Lordship. Coming up with a settlement at this stage, Lordship, I see like there's no point because there's no such communication made so far.
This is okay, but then are you discouraging the parties to come to a negotiation?
I'm not discouraging, Lordship. Let's see.
That is what we should not do actually.
Yes, maybe because
this is a collective responsibility of the lawyers and the bench also to allow the parties to settle better. So if you have instruction from your client that not to entertain this kind of thing, then so one thing.
Yes.
But then without instruction on the assumption, it may not be correct. Who knows, tomorrow your client may call you up and may tell you, sir, hold it for some time. So just we'll give them some time and make sure that on the next day we do not give them any more.
Yes,
So let it be after 2 weeks, my lord.
Shall we record it that we are trying to, or it is not?
My lord,
Nothing has come officially, Lordship.
let it not be recorded, my lord. Why I am saying this is we can't even reveal the source whom we are trying to approach at this point of time.
Just adjourn it at the request of the petitioner after 2 weeks. The request made on the petitioner. This matter after 2 weeks. Yes. Please, Mr. Thapa.
Yes, sir.
Please, you see, you should not be employed to adjourn this.
We'll proceed on merit, my lord.
If that is the intention, then this court also will not take it lightly.
My lord.
Your Lordship, wait please. Lordship, since they are making a statement of exploration of possibility of compromise, let it be reflected, Lordship.
That is what it doesn't have a just see. We'll just see. We'll make sure that on the next day we do not give any time anymore.
Daily causeless hearing item number 2.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is the Nokma dispute case. If Your Lordship allow the parties to file the written arguments, so
I have filed, my lord. This on record.
You can file a written argument, but then even if you file written argument, we'll have to hear you already.
Okay.
See, so you can do it. It's up to you. If you want to come with your written argument and place it orally, up to you. Or you can finish your argument, oral argument, and then you can file it written. Whatever way you prefer. So,
I will submit my written argument within a week, my lord.
And then you will address the court also orally. Also. If you serve it written also, you have to address the court orally. Also.
Yes.
Whether you read out your written submission or not, but then there may be certain clarification. See.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Sangma. You will also file your written.
I have already filed it, Lordship. It is on record. In fact,
written argument.
Not before
so
this.
Then the petitioner will file.
Yes, petitioner.
Your written argument is there.
It is there, Lordship.
Yes, and what about Mr. Day? See, but then even if it files a written argument, we'll need parties to address all.
Yes.
Because this court, see, reading doesn't enter its head. You see, like what? See, like, oral submission is a better way, and we can clarify content.
Yes. As well as the oral.
Yes. Mr. H. Hajarika, Learned Counsel, acting for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner desired to file a written submission in the matter before the Learned Counsel addresses the court orally. It plays for grant of some time to prepare his written argument and present the same advancing his oral argument before the court. The prayer made. The prayer has not been opposed by the Learned Counsel acting for the respondent. respondents. Prayer allowed when?
1 week. After 1 week, my lord, because has been.
Will be all right, Mr. Bani?
No, my lord, I will be out of station for next week, so that is the reason.
List. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks. Mr. Day, 2 weeks, all right.
Yeah.
Item number 7.
Yes, what to do? The acknowledgement card, no service report.
Lordship, we are waiting the
That
service.
is okay. Then what shall we do? You just verify the status.
Lordship, I'm praying this
Verify
matter.
the status, and if you file it served, then file an affidavit.
Lordship will do that.
The office note indicates that service upon the respondent number 8 is not complete. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner to verify the status of service of the status of service of notice upon the respondent number 8, and to file an affidavit to that effect. List after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship.